YouTube is rolling out a new feature that could possibly be the end of Twitter, and it's all because of a YouTuber who made it happen on accident. Or maybe on purpose. What it means is if you're good at making Twitter posts, then you could possibly be successful on this new version of YouTube. Welcome to TubeMagic, your #1 AI tool for YouTube. I'm your host Dennis, and YouTube just recently released some news about a new feature they're rolling out on the platform. The YouTube Creators channel recently posted a few days ago that they're rolling out a posts-only feed starting on mobile. For some YouTube users, there's going to be a posts-only feed where you can interact with your favorite creators' text posts in a similar layout to what Twitter is. This could possibly be a game changer for YouTube creators because now on top of YouTube videos, you can start doing community posts that can be easily accessed by your audience from the posts only feed. And so now you don't only have to do videos to connect with your audience and build a community. And you might be able to get new fans entirely from text-based community posts. So if you're any good at Twitter, you might want to spend some time doing community posts. And I'll show you how to do this using TubeMagic's AI. But first, let's talk about the suspect who made this happen. Recently, a giant YouTuber has been re-uploading his full YouTube videos on Twitter, now known as X, and he's been getting millions of views and even said that from one video he got $263,000. This YouTuber re-uploading his content and branching out to a more text-based social media platform might be what influenced YouTube to create this new feature, especially since it's the biggest YouTuber on the platform, Mr. Beast. So it's quite interesting if you ask me. Mr. Beast might have influenced YouTube to create a text-based posts-only feed. So now their creators can get the little bit of extra connectivity with their audience through these posts. So now instead of redirecting their fans to go follow their Twitter account, YouTubers can now post right here on YouTube in a similar way to Twitter. It's also no secret that Elon Musk bought Twitter and rebranded it as X and is having a rough time with running the platform. So this new feature could possibly be the end of Twitter or X. In fact, you can get an AI to actually write your community posts completely for you using TubeMagic's AI. All you would have to do is from the TubeMagic's main tool page, press on community posts and simply just enter in your channel or a channel you want to reference and toggle whether you want the community post to be a poll or not. And the TubeMagic AI will generate a community post you can simply copy and paste in seconds. This is just another way to connect with your audience using one of the several AI tools that TubeMagic has. Once YouTube starts fully rolling out this feature, you can use TubeMagic's AI to write these for you, whether you don't know what to write or you just want to save some time and build a bigger fan base and connect with them. You guys can get TubeMagic today at tubemagic.com/new users. The link will be in the description below. As for this new post-only feed that YouTube is launching, there's still a lot of questions to be asked. Like, is there going to be an analytic viewer similar to what you can do with videos or similar to what Twitter does with the engagement of tweets? And will there be embedded videos on YouTube posts? So when you put in a link, instead of just showing the link, it'll show the thumbnail of the video like all other social media platforms do. And also, will the posts be translated into the user's target language, such as if someone's from South America, will they see community posts in Spanish or Portuguese, kind of similar to what Twitter does with the translate tweet button? Those are just some questions to be asked, but if you guys want to step up your community posts on YouTube as well as any other feature using AI, then get TubeMagic today at tubemagic.com/new users and use TubeMagic's AI to get ahead while this new feature is fresh.